every new year I basically think I'm going to live a healthier lifestyle, which it doesn't get easier when you're on the road as a band. You know, as I said earlier, you kind of tend to have a drink after the shows and things, and you just find your own way to wind down. So I always have the best intentions about learning jiu-jitsu and learning how to speak Japanese, and then I end up touching up on my French and just running.
Well, I'd like to see cut down on drinking, but we all know that's not going to happen.
I've got two. I've got one to do more for charity, and my second one is to keep an eye on me spending.
My New Year's resolution is to work out more. I just want to get stronger. I feel like lately I've been more free, just in general, and kind of more comfortable, like people and stage and stuff. So next year I want to be even more free and let more of myself out.
My New Year's resolution is to remember my New Year's resolutions.
Just to go with right now. So basically go with right now and live in the moment. Yeah, live in the moment, basically.
My New Year's resolution would be to kind of, like if I want to do something, don't put a weight on it. Kind of just because life's so short, I think if there's something in particular that I want to do, then just be like, okay, I'm going to do it. Like just plan it. Like I haven't had a vacation like literally ever.
Just to try and work harder at what we do, really. That's mine anyway. What's yours? I want to go to more countries next year. I want to visit Japan and Asia and New Zealand, and yeah, I think touring, more touring.
My constant New Year's resolution is to just try to be better than I was the year before. You know, whatever that entails. A better friend, a better artist, a better dad, a better companion to whoever. Just better. You know what I mean? Because that's what it's about. It's about improving. It's about improving as the years go, not the other way.